Today on the Brick-A-New blog, we're setting the record straight about one of the most commonly asked questions about fireplace doors. Should you keep them open or closed while a fire is burning? The answer is open. If you're burning a fire, you need to keep the doors open to prevent your firebox from overheating. And here's the reason why. Check out what can happen if you don't keep your fireplace doors open.
So I can lean on my other shoulder and I put my script on the coffee table, and the glass from the glass barrier that sort of, keeps the flames from coming out of the fire exploded and shattered everywhere. And
the second you turn,
yeah,
it exploded.
There it is. That's the video.
That's crazy.
That's right, your glass doors can actually shatter and even explode if you keep them closed while a fire is burning. That's because standard tempered glass doors are only made to withstand temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, an average fireplace can reach temperatures of up to 1200 degrees. So then why does the internet have so many pictures of closed doors with burning fires? Well, the answer is, it's just for looks. Fireplace door manufacturers will actually Photoshop pictures of burning fires behind their doors to make it more aesthetically pleasing. But as we've seen, this can be very misleading to customers. Now, there are a few rare circumstances where it is okay to burn a fire with the doors closed. First, you must have a masonry fireplace, which means that the inside of your fireplace must be made out of real brick or real stone. Secondly, you must have pyroceramic glass doors. Ceramic glass, unlike tempered glass, is made to withstand the high temperatures from your fire and is therefore safe to keep closed. However, ceramic glass doors are also 3 to 4 times more expensive than tempered glass. Now, if you have a masonry fireplace and pyroceramic glass, you technically could burn a fire with the doors closed. But a better question is, why would you want to? By keeping your doors closed, you actually prevent the heat from warming your home and choke the air circulation, which helps to keep the fire burning. So if you have fireplace doors, be sure to keep them open the next time you're burning a fire. If you don't, but you're interested in purchasing some, give us a call and one of our fireplace specialists will be happy to assist you. As always, thanks for watching and thanks for choosing Brick-A-New.